All-Clad D3 versus All-Clad D5. Same legendary brand, same American craftsmanship, but one costs significantly more than the other. And here's what All-Clad doesn't want you to know. That extra money you're spending on the D5 line might not actually improve your cooking at all. In fact, for most home cooks, it could be completely wasted. So what's the real difference between these two premium cookware lines? Does that 5-layer construction actually perform better than 3 layers? And more importantly, which one delivers the best value for the money you're spending? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which All-Clad line belongs in your kitchen, and you might be surprised by the answer. Let's start with the basics. All-Clad D3 has been the workhorse of professional kitchens since the company launched in 1971. It's their original TRI-PLY construction, a layer of aluminum sandwiched between 2 layers of stainless steel. Simple, effective, and battle-tested in countless restaurant kitchens over 5 decades. Then, All-Clad introduced the D5 line, featuring 5 layers instead of 3. They added 2 extra layers of stainless steel and aluminum, claiming superior heat retention and even better temperature control. It sounds impressive. More layers must mean better performance, right? But here's where things get controversial. That D5 upgrade will cost you roughly 25% more than the equivalent D3 piece. A 10-piece D3 stainless steel cookware set runs about $800. The D5 equivalent? Around $1,000. That's $200 extra for 2 additional metal layers. Both lines feature All-Clad's signature polished stainless steel exterior and interior. Both have the same comfortable stick handles. Both are oven-safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Both work on all cooktops, including induction. Both come with All-Clad's legendary limited lifetime warranty. On paper, they're nearly identical, except for that layer count. So why does All-Clad even make 2 different lines? And more importantly, why do some professional chefs swear by D5, while others insist D3 is all you'll ever need? The marketing tells you that 5 layers provide superior heat retention and more even cooking. The D5 line supposedly maintains temperature better when you add cold ingredients. It allegedly reduces hot spots and gives you more control over delicate sauces and proteins. But let's not pretend this is straightforward. All-Clad has a massive incentive to convince you that spending more money gets you better results. Meanwhile, thousands of professional kitchens continue using D3 exclusively, never bothering to upgrade to D5. If the performance difference was truly significant, wouldn't every serious chef be demanding the 5-layer construction? Here's where the arguments get heated. D5 supporters claim those extra layers create noticeably better heat distribution, especially at the edges of pans. They argue the additional stainless steel and aluminum provide more thermal mass, which means more stable temperatures during cooking. D3 defenders counter that TRI-PLY construction already distributes heat exceptionally well. They point out that adding more layers actually makes pans heavier without providing meaningful performance improvements for most cooking tasks. 3 layers of properly bonded metal is already overkill for home cooking. Independent testing reveals something interesting. Both lines distribute heat remarkably evenly. Thermal imaging shows minimal hotspots in either construction. The performance difference in everyday cooking scenarios is so subtle that most home cooks wouldn't notice it without sophisticated measuring equipment. But here's what the testing also shows. D5 does retain heat slightly longer after you remove it from the burner. That extra thermal mass means temperatures drop more slowly. For certain cooking techniques, particularly searing and sautéing, that could theoretically provide an advantage. Now let's talk about something nobody mentions in the marketing materials. D5 pans are noticeably heavier than D3. Those extra metal layers add significant weight, especially in larger pieces like 12-inch skillets or stockpots. For some cooks, that extra weight feels substantial and premium. It gives a sense of quality and durability. The pan feels solid and professional in your hands. If you value that heft, D5 delivers. For others, especially those who cook frequently or have wrist strength concerns, that additional weight becomes a real problem. Flipping food, pouring liquids, and general maneuvering becomes more tiring. A heavier pan isn't necessarily a better pan if it's harder to handle during actual cooking. Professional chefs often prefer lighter pans because they're working with cookware for hours every single day. That weight difference adds up fast when you're constantly lifting, tilting, and moving pans around a busy kitchen. Many pros specifically choose D3 over D5 for this exact reason. Here's the question that really matters. Does D5's performance justify paying a 25% premium? When you're building out a complete cookware set, that price difference becomes substantial fast. All-Clad argues the D5 line represents their ultimate achievement in cookware engineering. The 5-layer construction provides professional-grade performance that serious cooks will appreciate. If you're investing in cookware that should last decades, why not get the absolute best? Critics counter that D3 already provides professional-grade performance. Those extra layers in D5 offer marginal improvements that most home cooks will never notice or utilize. You're essentially paying a premium for bragging rights rather than meaningful cooking advantages. Alright, let's get to the truth that actually matters when you're standing in your kitchen trying to cook dinner. In real-world cooking scenarios, both D3 and D5 perform exceptionally well. Both lines sear steaks beautifully, both create perfect fond for pan sauces, both heat evenly enough that you won't get hot spots burning your food, both are durable enough to last literally decades with proper care, both clean up similarly well in the dishwasher or with some barkeeper's friend. The performance differences are so subtle that blind taste tests consistently show people cannot identify which pan cooked their food. Professional chefs using both lines side by side report minimal practical differences in day-to-day cooking. Here's what really emerges after extended use. D5's extra thermal mass does provide slightly better heat retention, which matters most when you're searing multiple steaks in succession, or maintaining precise temperatures for delicate sauces. For those specific techniques, D5 offers a legitimate advantage. But for everyday cooking, scrambling eggs, sautéing vegetables, making pasta sauce, pan-frying chicken, D3 performs identically to D5. Those extra layers don't improve your omelet or make your stir-fry taste better. So which All-Clad line actually wins? Here's our honest recommendation based on how you actually cook at home. Choose D3 if you want exceptional All-Clad performance at the most reasonable price point. You're getting the same legendary quality, the same lifetime warranty, and virtually identical cooking results for everyday tasks. That money you save can go toward additional pieces or better ingredients. Most home cooks will never notice the difference between D3 and D5 in their actual cooking. Choose D5 if you frequently cook dishes requiring precise temperature control, if you regularly sear multiple steaks or proteins in succession, or if you simply want All-Clad's absolute top-tier offering. The extra thermal mass does provide subtle advantages for advanced techniques. If you're a serious cooking enthusiast who appreciates marginal improvements, D5 delivers. Here's the bottom line. Both lines are exceptional investments that will serve you for decades. D3 gives you professional quality All-Clad performance at a more accessible price. D5 provides marginal performance improvements that matter primarily to advanced home cooks and professionals. For most people building their first quality cookware collection, D3 is the smarter choice. You get 95% of the performance at 75% of the cost. Those savings add up when you're buying multiple pieces. What's your experience with All-Clad? Are you Team D3 or Team D5? Drop a comment and let us know which line you'd choose and why. If this comparison helped you make a decision, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest cookware reviews. We cut through the marketing hype so you can invest in the right tools for your kitchen. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.